Hello, I hope everyone's doing good and feeling good. Let me see if I can put this up a little more. I wanted to see if I could do the 10 seconds to mix this way, as another YouTuber shared a while back in her video. And it's helping a lot of people. It's easier this way for a lot of people. So I want to see if I can do it. And I do want to remind everyone that this is Play-Doh. I am just practicing. I highly recommend it if you just purchased your impression kit or it's on its way. Get some Play-Doh, practice, just to make sure. And look, it is easy, but I know when you get in that moment, because I feel that moment right now, like I have to get this right. So, all right, everything's set up. She does mention after she opens the packages to place them in little rocks, as she says. I got my timer ready, 10 seconds, but I'm going to roll them into worms. And you want to make sure they're even as possible, or as close as can be to being even or alike. And before you open the materials, get a feel of your kit. Ask questions. I'm here. There's a lot of people available for you through the Russell Klein, that have went through Russell Klein. There, just like that. Now they don't activate until you just start touching them together. I have my timer here ready. I'm gonna start it now. 10 seconds. Your focus is just mixing. Don't matter what it looks like, just keep mixing. Bold mix, bold mix. Oh my gosh, it goes fast. Wow, mine's still it's got streaks still, but that's just me. Now you need to get it in the tray. Let me get this all the way bright. You want to get it in the tray. It's 10 seconds to mix, less than a minute to get it in your face. So make sure you put it in the tray. No tray showing. You don't want no bottom tray showing at all. You don't really need to press down, because once you put it in that face of yours, your mouth, and press up, it's all going to come out anyway. But you don't want to do it hard. Don't. This is the upper, so you're going to push up. You don't want to push hard, just enough to get that impression in there. This is a lower. All right, I hope this helped. And the gloves are optional. If you don't use them, make sure your hands are clean. Everyone have a good day. I will see you in the comment section. Peace.